The Chief Electoral Officer of Meghalaya, B.D.R. Tiwari today informed that the final electoral roll would be published on 1st April 2024. During a press conference here today, Tiwari said that as on 3rd October this year, there were total 21,86,151 voters in the state.
Conduct the annual summary revision with reference to the 1st January of the coming year as qualifying date in the later part of each year in all state UTs, normally in the last quarter of a year. So final publication of draft roll is made in the first week of January of succeeding year. So this year on the 29th May, ECI has announced elections special summary revision of ERs with respect to 1st January 24 as qualifying date, and it helps in the two parts, some pre-revision activities and post-revision activities. So under the pre-revision activities from the month of June onward till mid of October, so it comprises training of EROs, AEROs, and booth level officer on the laws and guidelines related to electoral roll, and training on the latest IT application and system, house to house survey by the booth level officers, rationalization and rearrangements of the polling station, and preparation of supplements and integrated draft roll with reference to 1st January 24 as qualifying date. So all these activities has already been conducted in the state. So as per the special summary revisions schedule, so draft roll will be published tomorrow on 27th October 23. So the period for filing of claim and objections will be 27th October 2023 till 9th December 2023, which will be Saturday. During this period, there will be two special campaign dates on 11th November and 18th November. Both are Saturdays. So on these days, BLOs will be doing the special campaign on the polling stations. So checking of health parameters and obtaining of commission's permission for final publication. That date will be the 1st January, and prior to that, on the by 26th December 2023, all claims and objections are supposed to be disposed. So that is the last date of disposal. So final publication of electoral roll will be on the 5th January 2024. So this is the total schedule, and as on today there are some figures. It will be press note will be shared with you, and some data has been given as per the draft rule which is going to be published by tomorrow. We are having 21,86,151 voters, and in this one there are 10,81,006 male voters, 11,05,142 female voters, and 3 third gender voters, and total service voters we have 3,848. So till date, 100% EPIC has been distributed, and EP ratio as on 5th January 23 is 645, and gender ratio in Meghalaya in electoral roll is 1022. So we have 3,482 polling stations. So after rationalization during the pre-revision activities, there are 32 new polling stations have been proposed, and 2 polling stations have been merged. So total number of the polling stations as on 27th October, it will be 3,512. So there are 5 types of forms for the claim and objection. So for new voters, they have to apply in form 6. That is very important. And for the inclusion of name in electoral roll by an overseas Indian elector. They have to apply in Form 6A. And letter of information of Aadhaar number for the purpose of electoral roll authentication. Then form will be 6B form will be used for that purpose. And for that, objection for proposed inclusion or deletion of the name in the existing electoral roll, especially it is known as for the deletion. So form 7 will be used. And for the shifting of residence, correction of entries in existing electoral roll, and replacement of epic, marking of PWD, etc. So form 8 will be used for that purpose. So anybody who is going to have 18-year or age, or they want any correction or deletion in the electoral roll, so there are online and offline, both modes are available. In online mode, there is a voter portal of ECI. So anybody online open the portal and apply in that, and its link is http://voters.eci.gov.in, or our Meghalaya CEO's website is also there, through which any claim and objection can be filed. So its link is http://ceo meghalaya.nic.in, or there is an app also has been developed by ECI. That app is Voter Helpline mobile app. So through this Voter Helpline app,